You know that you can earn over $400 a day by sharing YouTube videos. In this video, I'm going to tell you about a whole new method of making money through YouTube. I will show you in 6 steps how to make up to $400 today or next week just by sharing YouTube videos. This special method will allow you to earn each day an additional income sent directly to your PayPal or your bank account. This is not a complicated method. All the secrets you need to know to start earning $400 directly to your PayPal account through this method can be found in this video. I know this may seem hard to believe, but if you stay with me for the next few minutes, I will not only prove it to you, but I will also show you different ways to strengthen this method to earn even more money. You don't need a website, and you can even do it from anywhere in the world. So if you want to start an online business from scratch, earn money, and increase your income, this video is specially made for you. The method once set up will run on its own and will bring you a lot of money without any effort. It is therefore important that you follow all the steps described in this video to know how to set up the method to earn up to $400 a day and also how to triple your earnings with a very simple tip. But before we get started, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon. This will help more people with the informative content of the video and motivate me to produce more content. Step number 1. Identify the types of videos that people watch the most on YouTube. One of the most popular categories of videos on YouTube is that of video games. People love watching content from people playing video games on YouTube, since any other category of videos, and as you know, YouTube is one of the most visited sites in the world. It is true that TikTok and other sites take over, but YouTube remains by far the leader in video content. If you go on Google and search for the most popular video game, it is true that there is enough. We have, for example, here Minecraft, Fortnite, Red Dead Redemption, and other games. As you surely know, Minecraft is an incredibly popular game with a very large community of players. In 2021, it had more than 140 million active players per month. In 2014, Minecraft was sold to Microsoft for $2.5 billion. It is what has allowed it to benefit from a much more developed infrastructure, as well as all the systems and processes of Microsoft, tens of thousands of employees. We will use Minecraft to set up the method, but know that you can use any other popular video game of your choice. Step number 2. Check the average number of searches per month. At this stage, we will use Ubersuggest to analyze the average number of searches for the keyword Minecraft. You can access this tool by typing Ubersuggest on Google. With Ubersuggest, you can achieve measurable results from online marketing. You can also do content marketing referencing, competitor search, and social media marketing from a single platform. To start, type the Minecraft keyword in the search bar here and click Search. You can see Minecraft keyword search statistics. The total search volume of the Minecraft keyword is over 2 million only in the USA. This is a very high search volume. It's tens of millions of searches every month. Now that you have that information, we'll take it to the next step. Step number 3. The tool that will make you earn money. The magic tool that will make you money is what is called a paid link shortener. Its operation is simple. You can take any link on the internet, and the tool will shorten it for you. It is similar to Bitly, but there is a very important difference. The peculiarity here that when people click on your short link, instead of going directly to the landing page, they'd first go on what is called a bridge page before being redirected to the final page. And it is on this bridge page the magic happens, because people are going to see ads on the links you generate. They looks at those ads and will then be at their final destination, and you are paid. It's as simple as that. You can see there are a lot of different competitors that offer this service because there's a lot of money to be made. We have Shrink Earn and Shrink Me. In this video, I introduce you to Shrink Me, and you can use any paid link shortener. So type the following address in your browser, shrinkme.io. ShrinkMe is the most expensive link shortener, and what we notice here is that you can earn $220 for 10,000 clicks on a single generated link. Isn't that awesome? 10,000 clicks may seem like a lot to some of you, but if you do it the right way, If you have a YouTube video that becomes viral, it can be a little easier than you think. Plus, every time you invite friends, you receive 20% of their lifetime earnings, and you need to earn only $5 to start receiving your PayPal payments. Click on Payment Proof, and you can see all the people who have already earned money using this ShrinkMe. All you have to do is create an account, shorten your link, and earn money. Creating an account on ShrinkMe is completely free. To do so, click on the register which is found here, then enter your username, your email address, your password, and retype the same password. Check the box "I am not a robot," accept the terms and privacy, and click on the register button. And that's where your account was just created. Here's what your control panel will look like. You have here the total number of views, the total number of revenues, your average referral earnings, and average CPM. For now, all the counters are 0 because it's a new account. And if you want to shorten a link, just click on New Shorten Link. Then paste your link here and click on Shorten. Step number 4. Search for viral videos. If I search Minecraft on YouTube, you can see that at least 24 hours, some videos have already generated thousands of views. Users watch incredible amounts of Minecraft videos every day. What you need to look for is something a little viral, something that's done over 1 million views in a day. The idea is to take one of these viral videos that already has a huge interest and promote it. Some YouTuber like this channel is very famous in Minecraft space because his videos are viral. You can choose a video from these, shorten its link, and then promote it. Step number 5. Shorten your links. What we're going to do now is copy the link from a video to shorten it with ShrinkMe. For example, I will choose this video, then copy the video link. This video has already generated thousands of views and is of interest to many people. Basically, a YouTuber works to create this interesting and attractive content that interests thousands of people. So why not push more people to see its videos, and you behind you earn even more money? All you have to do is shorten the link to a video with interesting content, and every time that video is watched, you'll be paid for it. So go to ShrinkMe and click Shorten. Then paste the video link here and click on the Shorten button. Here's your short link. Now you're probably going to ask me how we're going to get people to click on our links. Don't worry, I'll show you in the next step. Step number 6. Share your links and earn money. In this last step, we will see together some places where you can share your links so that it will be seen by thousands of people. First, you can go to the video game forums or communities and look for discussions about your game. These are places where there are tens of millions of people who browse every day and look for interesting content related to their game like Minecraft, Fortnite, and much more. You can offer them this content just by sharing your links with them. For example, you can find the forums of video games on Google by typing Best Video Games Forums and choose the forum that suits you. I will go to the minecraftforum.net site and click on the Forum tab. Once on this page, here are the results presented. This forum contains more than 9,000 threads and more than 140,000 posts. You can browse through these different topics and answer questions that people ask on the forum by sharing your short links. For example, you can create a thread like, "Hi, here's a great new video that has just been uploaded. Take a look." You can also go to Quora and type Minecraft in the search bar. Then try to interact with the different people who talk about Minecraft and share your short link. The same can be done with Steam, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram communities. If you like to create content on Minecraft, you can share your short links on your social media and earn money. Video games are just a good example. There are many other categories like movies or sports, so enjoy them. If you want a new video in which I show you in detail how to make money from websites never revealed on YouTube, then put in the comments, "I like this method," that you see on the screen. Don't forget to subscribe, and you'll have taken the first big step towards your financial freedom.